inside the car?
No.
Firearms or weapons at all?
Nope.
What? Dude, what happens in the village stays in the village implies something.
I feel like it does too.
Oh, no. You could be my videographer for the trip.
Word.
I used to not be able to look over ledges.
Now we
After
have one, yeah.
going hiking with Max, I can now look over ledges. There you go.
Oh! What's up, everyone? We're in Burlington, Vermont right now, on the way up to Canada, taking a little weekend trip. Well, why would you want
you were doing an intro?
No, it's alright.
I ruined it all.
Say what's on your mind, Hunter.
Ruined the intro. That's all that's on my mind right now.
They have golf clubs on the roof.
Yeah, they're sick.
I'm guessing they get up.
That's.
Oh my god. Hey! Hi! What's up, guys?
Let's go!
We just had an amazing lunch, and now we're about to go cross the border. Hopefully we all make it.
Shades, you know
There's gonna be a lot of incriminating film on that.
I don't know what to do.
Nice glasses.
Thanks, I stole them.
I bet you whoever you stole them from is pretty dashing.
He just films everything and kind of walks around.
Where did Jack go?
He's very dashing. Dude, it feels like we're sneaking in for some reason.
I know. We're here at the border. Oh man. We left our passports in the trunk. Paul, open the trunk. There you are. One passport. Dubai stamp. No, not the cows.
Cows to the slaughter.
Purpose of your trip? Tourism? Firearms or weapons at all?
Nope. Nope.
Is there any way we can get these stamped?
We don't stamp US passports.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You broke all my security systems.
It's like when you don't respect the stop sign.
We're in fucking Canada now, boys. Bonjour. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Alright, how does it feel to be in Canada, boys?
Not that different.
Not much different.
Oh, everything's in kilometers now. We're gonna need to learn how to speak some French while we're here. No, 90 miles an hour, let's go.
All this video is gonna be is me looking somewhere and then turning back. So, like, what are you filming? There's a whole Canada outside.
Canada trees.
Holy fuck!
Canadian trees.
What the fuck? They have trees.
Some local cuisine. Bro, and there's a child working at the drive-thru.
From the child.
Coming through this, we made it. We made it to Montreal. Wasn't too bad. We didn't end up getting scanned with the Verbo. It's a pretty big place. Hunter's airing out. The others aren't here just quite yet. Here's our kitchen. Quick tour. In here's cool. You got that, which is nice. Rolling shutter. Perfect. More bedroom. Bedroom shelves. Final bedroom with this. Yeah. Oh. Hello. Kind of skyline view over there. We're kind of in the center of everything as far as I am aware. Should be fun. I think tonight we're gonna play it safe, take it easy.
Hey Max! Hey Max's vlog. We're in Montreal right now. And we're about to go clubbing. Is that like a really bad angle?
No,
We're about to go bar.
We're going out to dinner.
Where's the rosé? Yeah.
Okay. Some time has passed. We've got supplies for the next few days. We're getting ready. We're gonna go out to dinner. This homeless guy is talking to me. Maybe he has something to say. Let's see if he has something to say. He said, "Pull up." Yeah, I feel like this video is gonna be all over the place.
I love you, Max.
How are we feeling tonight, Hunter? What are we about to do? You know, what's going on?
We're about to go out to a bar legally.
Legally, because it's Canada.
Legally, it's Canada, motherfucker. Look at my side.
But don't put it too close.
Oh my god, I'm taking so many pictures. Canada. We're out here live in Montreal. Yeah, but it's live to me. I can imagine. I will.
Max, you know it's super bizarre? That sign.
That sign.
Super bizarre.
That
Yeah.
super bizarre sign. Super bizarre.
Bizarre.
You,
Paul.
Yeah,
Hunter.
He's popular.
feeling it.
Yo, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
E-commerce, man.
E-commerce?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That thing is sick.
Good morning. It's day 2. We're going to get food. Feeling great. Feeling refreshed, alive, revived. It's awesome.
I'm thinking the green
Hot sauce. What happened?
I just poured out a lot.
Oh, look at that smile. Thank you. I love you.
Hey, what is your name?
Patricia.
Patricia.
Here for probably like less than 24 hours, and this place looks like a monsoon. We're going out tonight. Montreal festivities. We're gonna run through some clubs, go out to dinner, see some things that need to be seen. You haven't paid rent like 2 months. They're covering you. It's ridiculous. Well, tell me again. Tell me one more time. Just because I can't see you.
The fact that you're even fucking trying makes me feel bad about it.
You should feel fucking bad about it.
What the fuck? Get off your lazy ass! Go get a fucking job and pay rent! I told you I'm waiting to hear back.
Go find another fucking job.
Fuck!
Not another dollar. Not another dollar.
She got it all.
Max's vlog. We're going to a club right now. We're about to get some laughs.
No, Hunter. You cannot be through.
This is me and Aiden.
Sexy Aiden.
This is sexy Aiden.
What's up, Jack?
With $100.
Jack. Good Lord, Jack.
No, and he was like, alright, let me go talk to you. So they're upstairs. Alright.
Hi. Are we on the roof? Good morning. Yeah, I didn't. Why wouldn't that be locked? We're on the roof now. Security system. Pinocchio. Poseidon's trident. It's a new day here in beautiful Montreal, Canada. We're getting ready. We're about to actually go see the city for the first time. Well, we're leaving our area. I don't know. It's been an eventful trip though so far. Dollarama, the greatest place on earth.
The greatest place I've ever been.
Water.
We need some water.
Paul O'Brien! How you doing?
Hey, Paul, can you buzz us in?
Thanks. Good morning, Grunter.
I'm getting drunk.
Oh.
Everybody shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! I'm drinking! Everybody shut the fuck up! What did I do?
That's crazy. I don't know who that is. No. It just says nearby 8 hours ago.
To say if it's a dude or a girl, I'd kind of like to know.
What did you do?
I don't know.
I really vibed.
I got lost for a bit. I'm not sure what happened. Well, I was hanging out with these girls for a bit.
That what happens in the village stays in the village implies something.
I feel like it does too.
Oh no.
Hey, Max's vlogs. We're in Canada right now, and we're about to go to.
Yeah,
where are we going?
I don't know.
The town. We're going out on the town. We're gonna get on a subway in a second.
It's actually called the Metro.
That's what I said.
I fucking love subways so much. I fucking love the subway.
I'm thoroughly enjoying the Metro. Would you say you're enjoying the Metro?
It's very clean.
It's very clean. It's
Very
nice.
nice.
It smells nice. Look,
People pick it up.
this is nothing like the New York subway. New York subway is littered, but New York is supreme.
Alright, this is a really cheap Pinot Grigio. Cheers. Salud. And swirl.
I'm gonna fold it like a top.
Ronin-S smells like the cheapest wine on the menu, which is Tastes like every white wine you've ever had. This has been a wine review with Gunter, and there will be many more to come.
This is where the 1976 Olympic Games took place. There's a whole Olympic park here. It's pretty crazy. It's a really interesting place.
No, of course, we would never. Never.
We're back in the metro. We're not those guys. We don't do that. Aiden does that. Yes.
Jesse, I am South America. Why are you blue?
Back to America. I'm moving to Montreal. It's official. I love it. It's so great. Hunter's a little sleepy. Isn't that right, Hunter?
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
I think I'm in the middle of something.
I think I'm in the middle of something. Au revoir.